Hey YouTube, it's Lisa Cantalupo from Lisa Cantalupo Leather Art. In this video, I'll show you how to miter the joint and build the eye patch strap. Cut your leather straps using the template as a guide. Follow the template to mark for punch holes and rivets. Bevel, sand, and burnish the edges. This next part is putting together the straps. I've designed it so that it is adjustable, but we need to make a miter joint. So you need to skive the edges following the template and dropping a little glue to keep that mitered edge secure. Smooth out the edges. Follow the template, mark your hole. Add the rivet to secure that joint. Use the template to mark the placement for the Velcro and stitch the Velcro into place. Next, we attach the D-ring. Use the template to mark your hole. Punch your hole. Run the strap through the D-ring. And set the rivet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you can find the template and the PDF instructions on my website. I'll put the links in the video description. For more information, you can go to www.lisacantalupo.com and sexyskins.etsy.com. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.